Struggling to keep up with posting on social media? Most people quit because creating daily content feels like a full-time job. Coming up with fresh posts every single day can feel overwhelming. But here's the exact prompt I use. Give me 7 Instagram captions and post ideas to promote a fitness gear brand. Feel free to pause the video if you want to copy it. And just like that, ChatGPT gives me a week's worth of content, captions, hooks, and even ideas for images or videos. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you instantly have a plan ready to go. Of course, posting is just one part of the bigger picture. The real challenge is knowing how to turn that content into sales. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. Across 5 simple episodes, it shows you how to connect the dots. From creating content like this, to building your plan, to actually promoting the products that make you money. Plus, it comes with bonuses that save you even more time, like the silent marketer strategy that teaches you how to reach millions of people online without even being on camera. So instead of stressing over what to post tomorrow, you can use AI to plan ahead and then follow the challenge to turn those posts into profit. The link's waiting for you in the description.